When firefighters think of a hazard on the fire ground, they think of temperature. How hot was it? When in reality, we need to think about how quickly the energy around you is transferred to you. Today we're going to talk about the difference between temperature and heat release rate and how it applies on today's modern fire grounds. Temperature is the average amount of energy contained in a substance. For example, ambient air is at about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat release rate is the amount of energy that comes off a burning object. To demonstrate that, we have two different candle setups to my right. The first candle releases about 60 watts of energy. We can relate this to a 60-watt light bulb as they release about the same amount of light. The temperature of this candle flame is somewhere between 1400 degrees and 1700 degrees, depending on where in the flame we are. As I touch the candle to the thermocouple, we notice the data system on my right reads the increase in temperature, which increases to about 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. When we triple the number of candles, we triple the energy release rate, or the heat release rate. Instead of being 60 watts, we're approximately 180 watts. However, we didn't necessarily change the temperature of the candle flame. We'll check with our thermocouple. We notice the data system increases to between 1500 and 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. We can talk about how this applies to your turnout gear. The more energy being released off of objects burning in the space, the more energy is transferred to your turnout gear. The turnout gear itself is designed to protect you by delaying the amount of energy your skin receives. The higher the heat release rate, and the faster this energy transfer occurs. As energy is transferred through the turnout gear over time, there is the potential for you as a firefighter to receive a burn once enough energy has been transferred from the outer shell to the surface of your skin. If you learned something new from today's video, go ahead and like it, subscribe to us on YouTube, and check ulfirefightersafety.org for updates and more online trainings.